Okay, lesson 110. And this is a continuation of multiplying decimal numbers. So, remember when I said we're multiplying decimal numbers, I want to require you to draw a line under all the numbers that are behind the decimal point. Okay, so we're going to start with this one. So there are 2 decimal places in my problem. So how many decimal places are going to be in my answer? 2. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 0 is 0. So I've got 2 decimal places in my problem. Remember, I go ahead and make sure I draw a line under both of those. And my decimal point goes right in front of that. So even though I've only got an 8, I drew my line. I had to fill in that extra place with a 0 so I could make sure that I have 2 decimal places in my problem. So that's my answer here. Let's do this one. So I'm going to draw a line under the numbers that are behind a decimal. So I've got 3 in my problem. I'm going to get 3 in my answer. So I'm going to go ahead and put those there. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, now I don't have to do that 0 because it's all zeros. So I know I've got 1, 2, 3, got my decimal place there. Okay, what if I did 0.022, and this one isn't in the book, times 0.2. It's a bunch of 2's, huh? Okay. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 0 is 0. Okay. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Okay. What do I do there? My 0, my decimal goes right there. Okay, make sure you have the same numbers, same amount of numbers behind the decimal in your problem, and same amount of decimal numbers behind your answer. I think I said that wrong, but you know what I'm saying. So I'm going to require you to draw little lines under each number behind the decimal place in your problem, little lines behind the decimal place in your answer, and that way you don't mess up. Because some of these can get a little confusing if you go fast. They're easy, but if you go fast, they can tangle you up a little bit. But this is a surefire way to make sure that you get it done. But that's that whole lesson. So if you need to refer back to lesson 109, there was a little bit more about multiplying decimal numbers. You can go back if you need to. Okay, good luck.